Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I'm here today to show you how to write a good essay quickly. Now I have written down the process into these simple steps, and I'll go over those simple steps right now. So, a good essay has 5 paragraphs. And as you can see, the first paragraph is dedicated to being an introduction. The last paragraph or the fifth one is dedicated to being a conclusion. And paragraphs 2, 3 and 4 are dedicated to being supporting paragraphs to support the idea that you are introducing or talking about for the essay. Now, in order to write a good essay quickly, you need to come up with an outline. Many people don't do an outline because they think that is wastes time, but it will actually save your time because the amount of time that you are actually using creating an outline, you will save more than that amount of time because you will go through the actual essay much faster. Now, when you are doing an outline, you should make sure that you are using short points and only writing down important ideas. And your outline should also be divided into paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you should have a few points for each paragraph. And when you are actually writing the essay, you will use those points that you wrote down for your outline to actually complete the essay. Now, in addition to the outline, you should have some topics written down, and with regards to the topics, you should have the main topic for the essay written down. So whatever you are doing the essay on, that should be written down within your outline. And you should also have topics for each of the individual paragraphs. So each paragraph should have a main idea. And I am specially talking about paragraphs 2, 3 and 4. You should know what each of these supporting details will be. That is how you write an essay quickly. Now this process will allow you to write a good essay. And if you want to take that good essay and turn it into a great essay, you can actually take the good essay that you wrote down and edit it and include additional sources and so forth, turn it into a great essay. So basically you come up with an outline that incorporates the topics and the ideas for the 5 paragraphs, and then take that outline and turn all of those short points into complete sentences and complete ideas when you are writing down your actual essay. And that's basically it. That's all I have for you today.